Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. So, on today's video, we're gonna be reviewing the Trophy Wife Life collection, honey. So, when I saw this, I really wanted this for many reasons, but I'll get into that ASAP. So, first of all, it comes in this box, which is very pretty. I do like makeup boxes, I never throw them. So I really like this box, it's very pretty. So what is the Trophy Wife Life collection, you will ask? The Trophy Wife collection, as it says on the box, it says Fenty Beauty's #1 best-selling highlighter. Wow, really? I know Trophy Wife is like shocking, but I would not imagine that would be the best-selling highlighter. Plus 3 set exclusives for eyes and lips, all in the same iconic gold shade. Trophy Wife Life 4-piece eye cheek lip set with a makeup bag. So we're gonna open her up, and here it is. So it comes in this makeup bag that says Fenty Beauty, and actually I already opened this because I did review it, and it all comes in like a black paper, like everything comes wrapped. So when I order, I didn't think they will come in individual boxes, so it comes wrapped in like a black paper. 4 products, okay? Eyes, cheeks, and lips. Okay, so we're gonna get into them, we're gonna review each one of them, but let's start with the swatch. So we're gonna start with the liner. Here's the liner. That's the liner. Pretty much pigmented. It's gold. It's gold. I see. Okay, next we have Trophy Wife. Okay, so this is my first time I got Trophy Wife. I wanted it, but I kind of didn't want it. Then when this collection came out, I was like, let me just get it. Y'all know Trophy Wife. Y'all know how beautiful Trophy Wife swatches. Let me just swatch it for you guys. Do y'all see that? Stunning. So this is Trophy Wife. Ooh, let me put some on my cheeks because like I feel like I didn't put enough. I just don't care. That is Trophy Wife on the cheeks, okay? So I'm just, let me tell you, I didn't get into the review yet. Next we have the lipstick. And that's how the lipstick swatches. You know, it's so crazy. Trophy Wife and the lipstick, they just look the same. It's just a more creamier form. The gloss bomb. Listen, everybody been asking Fenty Beauty for this gloss bomb being sold individually. Y'all see that pigment? Y'all see that pigment? So the gloss one looks very pigmented, but it fades, I will say, because I put on my lips and it's not that much. Let me put more on my lip. So yeah, those are the swatches of this collection, and obviously they all come in this makeup bag, which this makeup bag, you guys, I love it because you can fit even brushes. So this is the highlighter brush, and you can even fit it here. So you can put a lot of makeup in here. It's not just like that. You can put a lot of your favorite stuff in here. There's a space for it because it's like I'm putting all my Fenty in here. Like, come on, like come through. We're gonna put my contour in there. We're gonna put the other 2 other matchsticks. I'm gonna put my beauty blender. I'm gonna put my concealer. What else? Okay, I'm gonna put my Anastasia. Listen, you can even put Moroccan spice in this. Hold on, let me try to fit Moroccan spice. Okay, you're gonna put Moroccan spice in this. Let me try. Listen, I never had a makeup bag. Maybe this is their average, but okay, I don't think Moroccan spice fits in here. Oh, it does. You can even fit Moroccan spice in here. Rihanna, I know what you're doing. Like, come on. I really like this makeup bag. This is my first makeup bag, so maybe this is the average. I really like this makeup bag, so I'm really excited about it because my makeup is everywhere and I'm moving soon, and I should get more makeup bags, honestly. But anywho, so without further ado, let's get into this review. Okay guys, so we're gonna start with the liner. So I already did my eyes off camera, so I'm sorry if I'm not good at this, you guys. You're gonna see how pigmented this is. Okay, so y'all saw my lash lift is fucking it up, but we're gonna try our best. Okay, you guys, because I have lash lift, it's so hard to do liner with this. I just got them yesterday, so maybe it was not the right idea, but I'm gonna clean up my lashes. Okay guys, so I'm gonna clean up my lashes. Listen, lash lift and liner sucks. I'm new, okay? I'm gonna clean up my lashes and I'm gonna do the other eye and I'll be back. Okay guys, so I clean up my lashes, I put on mascara, I finished the bottom of my eye. That's the liner on my eye. I'm gonna be honest with you guys, I'm not in love with this greenish undertone there is on Trophy Wife. I saw it on reviews, but it's this greenish. It's not bad, but you really need to work it out. I am not much into it, but I like the liner, I like the look. Fenty Face Everything, eyebrows Anastasia. And yeah, mascara I used It Cosmetics Superhero. And when is Fenty gonna come with a mascara, girl? We're waiting. So next in the bag is Trophy Wife. So I never tried Trophy Wife, so it's gonna be my first time review for you guys also. So I think I put some in the inner corner, which is gonna be a Trophy Wife. Okay, so I'm gonna grab this brush and I'm gonna put it in the inner corner of my eyes to make it pop. Now listen, I'm afraid I don't care, Rihanna, I'm gonna go in, like my face is gonna be yellow. So we're gonna grab in the Rihanna, oh my god, I love this brush for a highlight. This is my favorite brush. And okay, we're gonna go like this, 1, 2 and 3. Okay, and then let's see. Okay, I'm not mad at it. I thought like this would not look good on my skin tone. I'm not mad at it. I need some more here. Yeah, that's what I'm talking. What? Okay guys, I'm honestly not mad at it. I really like it. So I'm gonna do the same on the other side. 1, 2 and 3. Okay? That's all you need. The Trophy I need. Okay, I love Trophy Wife. I know y'all were hating on it. I'm feeling it. I love it. So next in the collection, okay, we have one gloss and one lip. We have one gloss and one lipstick. To be honest, I wasn't the biggest fan of this lipstick without even trying it. I think it's more like a topper, but this is a review, okay? I'm gonna do a video of 3 looks with the Trophy Wife collection, okay? But this is a review, so we're gonna try the lipstick on its own, and then we're gonna try the lip gloss on its own. Okay, so let's get into it. Okay, to be honest, you guys, I really think this is a topper because on its own, it's not doing it for me. It's just not. Okay, I don't hate it, but I don't love it, okay? I don't think I will use this lipstick on its own. I used to hate that these were like small, but to make this one, the cupid of the lip, oh, I love Fenty because of that. Okay, you guys, I don't think I'll use this lipstick on its own. I think it's more like a topper because okay, I think I would honestly, but no, I'm not the biggest fan of it. But I think as a topper, they will look stunning. Okay, so mind you, if you don't like glitter, I removed it, but some glitter stay there. So if you hate glitter, you might not like lipstick because the glitter is gonna stay there. So next we got the Trophy White Gloss Bomb, and we're gonna try it out now. Let me... Oh wow. Okay, you guys, my camera turned off, but and I couldn't record it, so I did line the bottom of my lashes with Trophy White liner, and it really works. So I was starting reviewing each product. When it comes to the liner, I just line it. I just line the bottom of my eyebrows, which I think it's a look. I will start doing that. The liner. Since I have a lash lift, it's just like it was a mess because I'm new to it. I don't know how to use the technique. I did the liner work perfectly. I think it did what it had to do. I didn't like the shaking thing, but I like the wand, so I just like line it, let's say eyebrows. So I really like that, and I think it did what it had to do. I don't see it cracking because it looks just like a lot of glitter, so it looks like, I don't know if you will notice if it cracks or something. So I really like the liner. I will marry this liner. No, I will not go with this every day. I will date this liner definitely. I will have a relationship with this liner. Long distance relationships. I love you, boo, but once in a while, honey. Next. So we're gonna talk about Trophy Wife. I'm gonna be honest, you guys. This green undertone makes Trophy Wife not much wearable, but I really like it. So I think if you don't mix much warm colors with Trophy Wife, it will work perfectly. And it did what it had to do. It's stunning. Like, it's just stunning. A lot of pigment, blendability top notch. For a highlighter, top notch. I really like that because even though it's like so pigmented, when it's there, you just blend it and it just blends perfectly. So Trophy Wife, will I marry? No. Would I have a relationship with them? Yeah, I would. Like, girl, like an open relationship, boo. Like, you know, I do you, but I do me too, okay? So I really like Trophy Wife. Now we're gonna go to the lipstick. And I haven't tried this as a topper, and I'm gonna do a video about it. I don't like this lipstick. I'm gonna be honest with you guys. I think as a topper, even I think I will compare. I think even as a topper, you can just Trophy Wife as a topper of a lipstick. So what's the need of having like a lipstick if you can use Trophy Wife itself to top it? So I honestly didn't like this lipstick. I'm gonna be honest, I didn't like it. Would I have a relationship with this? No. Would I have a marriage? No. Would I date them? Yeah, I would, but you know, the first day wasn't that great, so we gotta keep things moving, okay? You do you, I do me. I'll try you, girl, but like, I'm never gonna give you my number, I'm gonna be honest. Next, now the gloss. The gloss did what it had to do. It's a big size gloss. Would I go use this every day? No. I think I'll try to top it with an orangey. It will look so good, or with a green lip. Since it has like green undertones, this will just make it shine. So I think Trophy Wife is very good on its own. Honestly, on its own, I don't think I would use Trophy Wife on its own. I just don't like much the way it looks on my lips. I think Trophy Wife is as a topper. So, would I date this lip gloss? Yeah, I would date you, but nothing serious. That's all I gotta say. So now we're gonna talk about the collection itself. For $69, you're saving money for getting all these products, and I think Trophy Wife was released for New Year's. Like, you know, I feel like golden, like, you know, a New Year's look. I just feel that vibe from it. And for the price, you save money and you get like gold. Like, I feel like everybody needs this in this collection. No, this is a collection would you reach for every day? Absolutely not, I wouldn't. But it's nice to have it when you want to make that pop. When you want that option, it's there for you. So I really appreciate that. Plus, it comes in this makeup bag, which I totally love it. So yeah, you guys, on the collection itself, I will have a relationship with them, open relationship. I do you, you do me, but nothing serious. I wouldn't reach for this every day, but the products did what they have to do. I still don't like that lipstick. I'm gonna be honest with you guys. I don't like that lipstick. I just don't like that lipstick. It's a topper, but it's a lipstick. So if you want a topper, why don't you use Trophy Wife on itself on the top of the lip? So you know what I'm saying? It's just like Trophy Wife highlighter in lipstick version, which I don't think is necessary. So that's my opinion on it. I do love this collection. I'm happy I do have it, and I think I'm gonna make a lot of looks for it. And okay guys, and please make sure to check out my upcoming video that I'm gonna do like 3 looks with the Trophy Wife collection, so y'all can see how versatile this collection actually is. So I'm gonna do like 3 different looks with it, and please subscribe for that. So we came to the end of this video. Make sure to subscribe, like, and comment. Are y'all gonna pass on it? Are y'all gonna get it? Are you gonna be a Trophy Wife every day on your regular life? Because I'm not, but I wanna know if you will. I'm a Trophy Wife every day, no, but once in a while, you know, you want some shine, you want that. So please let me know down in the comments what are your opinions about this collection, what other makeup products you want me to review, what type of tutorials you want me to do. My channel is not only about beauty. We all talk about beauty, we talk about mental health, we talk about discrimination, we call out some people, we talk about many topics on this channel. So if you like me somehow, you want to know something about me, make sure to subscribe. Y'all hate me? Still subscribe. Keep the hate comments coming. Subscribe, ring that bell button, and come in with a push because I'm ready. I just want y'all to know that. So thank you guys so much again, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.